Africa Media Live TV. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel to get updated on the trending gist, latest news all over the world. Like our page, subscribe, and share with friends. Thank you.
Orúkọ mi ni Òkúnẹ̀yẹ Islamiat. Mo jẹ́ kan lára àwọn ìyàwó ọmọ olóòkú. Bàbá jẹ́yàn gidi, in fact. Kò kàn ṣe sunkún ni torí ẹni tó bá ti da kò yẹ kó máa sunkún lé. Tí pé ká máa fàdúrà sí lọ. That is one of the best man, one of the best person I've ever met. A father-in-law like a father. He's such a great man. I remember very well when I entered the Òkúnẹ̀yẹ family. He took me just like his daughter. I don't have a father, but he made me his daughter. Everybody could testify that I'm no more a wife. I'm now his daughter. He is a great man. Kò sẹ́nikẹ́ni tó bá bẹ́ ẹkún dé ọ̀dọ̀ Alhaji Musbau tí ò ní bẹ́rìn jáde. Wow. That is one of the best men. That's all I can actually say. He's great, he's kind, he's wonderful. What else can we say? I'll greatly miss him because he's actually my best friend. Mom is not even my best friend. Dad is actually my best friend. And to all his kids. Oh, jeez.
Africa Media Live TV. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel to get updated on the trending gist, latest news all over the world. Like our page, subscribe, and share with friends. Thank you.